Hey guys, today I'm making a wreath for my dad, and I figured I'd make a little video to show you. This is just a plastic wreath that you can buy at your local dollar store, and a lot of times this comes on it, or you can buy the stuff to go on it. And I got some of these silver poinsettias. Now, I already made my bow ahead of time for the top of the wreath. As you can see, there's gold on the inside. Well, you can see it there. And it's red felt on the outside. And I got a few of these little plastic candy canes. And I got some pine cones. Like I said, I'm not going to do it up too fancy, but I'm going to try to make it better than this because I find this too plain. First of all, instead of putting my bow at the bottom of the wreath, I'm going to put it up at the top. I like my bows up at the top of my wreath. And I left string on the back, so I'm just going to tie it onto the top through the plastic loops on the wreath. Instead of gluing it on, because then you can always remove the bow if you want to change the bow out year after year. And there we go. I'll snip off the cord after that's holding it on. Just get my candy canes over here. And I'm just going to snip off these poinsettias. And like I said from my last craft video, always keep the leaves off your flowers. You can use them for making ornaments like I did in my last video if you want to have a look at it. I used leaves like this to make a little tiny bell ornament that goes on your tree. So I'm going to save the leaves and I'm going to throw out these stalks after. So I'm going to start just gluing these poinsettias onto the wreath. Oops, glue strings. Now I'm not going to use the whole probably bouquet, but I'll use the flowers later on for something else. And let me see. Probably put one there and one up here, I guess. Now you don't have to do it this way, but I'm just doing it like this. You can use different things. You can use like the pine cones. You can get different kinds of ribbon, flowers, anything you want at all. But this is just the way I'm going to do this one up. Grab another glue stick. Okay, and we're just going to put a bit of glue on the back of this candy cane and we'll stick it on. Yeah, I wonder, put it this way, I guess, or the other way. No, the other way. Oops, that's my glue stick. And what I'll do is I'll stick probably a couple pine cones in between. Just glue those on. Like I said, this doesn't have to be perfect. If you're just making this for yourself, you can do it to your liking, to whatever you want to put on it. Let's see if I can use some smaller pine cones. I'm not going to use the big extra large. And one more. Like I said, I could add some more to this. I'll see later. I got a few more Christmas things I could add to it, but it seems pretty full like this now, so. Oops. Yeah. There we go. Let's pull all these strands off. See, and that makes it look more full and not as sparse and thin. And there you have it. There is your Christmas wreath. It's plain, simple, and easy to make, and it's a cute little decoration for your door. Now, if you like this video or any others I have, give it a big thumbs up, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe.